the Dutch disease, basically when Jamaica starts to sell oil internationally, there's going to be a high demand on the Jamaican currency. When there is a high demand on the Jamaican currency, things are going to expensive. You see, there are certain economies that flourish in Jamaica because of Jamaica's currency being low. I'll give you an example: the BPO industry. The business processing outsourcing industry is an industry that flourishes because Jamaica's dollar is low. The value of Jamaican dollar is lower than the US. Obviously, the reason the clients and these major corporations would have left the US and gone to poorer countries, Jamaica, the Caribbean, Africa, is because they are able to pay us cheaper. We're being paid $3 to $5, that's so. If right, remember I said them up here, they have to pay their employees in the United States like $12 an hour, and you are able to pay us $3 to $5 an hour. You can, so essentially they pay what you would pay a US agent. You can divide that by three or divide it by two and pay Jamaicans. And so if Jamaica's currency becomes um rises, basically, you would think that, oh my gosh, it's going to be good for me, because let's say you have $50,000, your purchasing power increases, and yes, that is good. However, you also have to look at the fact that, okay, then, well, a lot of persons are going to lose their jobs, because if at the same pay, we're going to pay regular Jamaicans versus paying in the United States. Might as well me just keep them in the US. What's the point of coming to Jamaica and paying Jamaicans if it's the same price me I gonna get for paying the employees in the US? So the BPO industry business would suffer immensely. Also, as well, the cost of goods and services would go up internationally on the exporting market. So because Jamaica's currency is low, things are cheaper. Our goods and services that we export internationally, or our goods and services that we export, would become more expensive. And so obviously when that becomes expensive, people are going to find the cheaper route. People are going to look for cheaper countries to purchase the goods and stuff services from. So for example, again, the agriculture industry would suffer. So the black gold, which is the oil, will basically cancel out the green gold, which is agriculture.